I hear people all the time that you just can't do it in my area. Jason, you just don't understand. You can't get that in my area. Really? This is a job that we got $15,000. 2 years ago, we got $10,000 to do the outside of the building. They're wanting to do this more often, but yet you want to tell me you can't get it in your area. You know, one of the biggest things that I've learned in coaching is helping people to grow and scale. You know, if you have an average ticket of, let's say, $500, there's a lot that you can do to get your average ticket up. And the very first thing I would tell you to do is you got to raise your prices. If you want to grow a business, you can't be going out there doing $300, $400 house washes and think that you are going to be able to make money and grow a business. It's just not going to happen. I promise you, I've seen it over and over and over. Right now, there's tons of rigs going up for sale. And you know why they go up for sale? It isn't because they can't get work. It is that too, but it's because they're not charging enough to make profit. You know, a lot of people think profit is a bad word. And the reason why I tell you to read profit first is so that you learn that profit is a good word, especially when we're talking about running a successful pressure washing business. I'm sorry, I meant to say not Christmas lights, but Christmas lights is a great thing too. And if you want to go check out christmaslights.io, I teach you how to make 6 figures doing Christmas lights. So, but back to, you got to understand how to raise your prices. You got to understand and get into the right mindset that you can make great money doing pressure washing. You know, I understand that there's people out there will tell me, Jason, you just can't get it in your area. And the biggest thing I will tell you is raise your prices. Well, Jason, I did that, and you know, I went and did 2 quotes and they both told me no. Great, because every no that you get is closer to a yes, right? Because the people that I know that are successful and hit $1 million business, hit these higher numbers, they don't close every job. I don't want you to close every job. I don't even want you to close 50% of your jobs. You should be closing anywhere from 30 to 50% of your jobs. And guess what? If you do that, you will most likely get your average ticket over $1,000. You will also be able to understand that you don't have to do as much work. And you will also understand that the customers that are willing to pay you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 are a lot better than the customers that are willing to pay you $300. And so this is the thing that you have to start thinking about and start learning and growing your pressure washing business. And I know this isn't a great topic of people are like, Jason, but I want to tell you something. This is something that will help you grow your business. Raise your prices, get comfortable. If you do not believe that you can get those prices, you will not get those prices. So start believing in yourself so that you can understand what you need to do to be able to do this. Again, I'm showing you right now DJ pressure washing this roof job. That's a $15,000 job, right? He's probably gonna have about 500 gallons of bleach in it, maybe a little less than that. So he'll have $2,000 worth of product, $2,500 worth of product to be able to do a $15,000 job. That's probably gonna take no more than 2 days. So that is what I'm talking about. You can grow a business. You just gotta go out there and find the right customers, because there is a lot of wrong customers. Actually, I shouldn't say there's a lot of wrong customers. There's a lot of great customers for somebody else, and you're losing out by not getting the great customers. And so if you want to build a great business, these are the things that you gotta start doing. And I understand it's not fun, but it's definitely something that you gotta do. So If you want to go check out King of Pressure Wash, I teach you how to grow a business. I teach you how to understand how to do that. Other than that, go check out my YouTube channel here so that you can keep growing your business.